Welcome to Macquarie University, where our Master of Environment program is not just an education, it's an immersive journey into the heart of environmental stewardship.
At Macquarie, we understand that addressing future environmental challenges requires a new generation of leaders and practitioners equipped with the right skills and tools. People that understand the environmental issues well enough to explore and champion sustainable solutions. I'm Saintilan. I'm a Professor of Environmental Science here at Macquarie University. My speciality in research is the impact of climate change on ecosystems, wetlands, coastal environments across the world. I also teach in the unit Climate Change and Adaptation.
And I'm Maina. I bring the power of geospatial technologies into our program, which is one of the future technologies with tremendous environmental applications. Students learn how to use this technology to measure and monitor environmental changes. Additionally, I guide students through real-life environmental consultancy projects, providing practical experiences that go beyond the classroom.
Our Master of Environment program is designed to go beyond theoretical knowledge, providing you with hands-on experiences that shape your understanding of real-world environmental issues. It offers a blend of units taught by world-renowned experts, providing you with knowledge and understanding the essential skills and tools needed in this field. In my Climate Change and Adaptation unit, we explore the critical topics of our changing climate. But it's not just about theory, it's about taking that knowledge into the field. We help you develop an integrated perspective on climate change, one of the important issues facing humanity in the 21st century. You will examine the multiple drivers of climate change, the role of feedbacks in the climate system, the projections of future climate scenarios, the impacts of anthropogenic climate change on natural and human systems, and the principles and practices of mitigation and adaptation to climate change at different scales. Through immersive fieldwork experiences, I lead students to the frontiers of climate change impact, studying ecosystems, observing changes, and developing adaptive strategies in real-world locations.
We teach you how to understand and address the environmental challenges of the 21st century, such as environmental pollution, science in environmental management, field methods in environmental science, environmental planning, environmental remediation, sustainability, and transitions. What sets our program apart is the integration of geospatial technologies, which is one of the future technologies with tremendous environmental applications. I teach students how to leverage these tools to measure and monitor environmental changes with precision. Moreover, I guide students through real-life environmental consultancy projects. These projects provide invaluable experiences as students apply their knowledge and skills to address actual environmental challenges. In another consultancy project, students conducted a project for United Nations Environmental Program, a top environmental agency which sets the global agenda on environmental issues. The project looked to investigate how we can make our ports more sustainable and reduce environmental footprint.
Your journey with us is not just about academic achievement, it's about preparing you for a successful career in the environmental sector. Our graduates go on to work in a range of exciting positions. Many have gone into Commonwealth and state government agencies, working to manage landscapes, coastal environments, rivers and wetlands, based on the knowledge they've gained while studying here at Macquarie University. Others are helping companies achieve their sustainable development goals. Whether you want to go into management or pursue a research career, the Master of Environment provides you with the foundation you need to build toward the successful career ahead of you.
Here at Macquarie, we believe in the power of hands-on experience, community collaboration, and industry integration. It's about you to the power of us. This collaborative ethos permeates our program, where faculty and industry leaders, each with unique backgrounds and experiences, work together towards a common goal, solving the pressing environmental challenges of our time. We truly believe that by choosing to pursue a Master of Environment with us, you'll not only be making the right career choice, but also gaining the necessary knowledge and expertise from a trusted source. So if you're passionate about the environment and want to make a difference, join us on this transformative journey where your education is not just about what you learn, but also what you do with that knowledge.
Visit our website for more information or reach out to our admissions team. If you're passionate about the environment and want to make a difference, the Master of Environment program at Macquarie University awaits, offering a unique blend of academic rigour, cutting-edge technologies and hands-on experiences in environmental consultancy.